Alright friends, in this video I'm going to show you a couple of programs that will demonstrate the kind of syntax that is permissible in the JavaScript language. Okay, I will tell you the do's and the don'ts so that you remember if you make any kind of syntax error, it's easier for you to rectify the mistake. So if you look at the computer program, a computer program is a list of instructions to be executed by the computer. In a programming language, these program instructions are called statements. JavaScript is a programming language that is comprised of statements, and these statements are separated by semicolons. Okay, so let's begin writing our code, and I will show you what kind of syntax to write for JavaScript. First, let's open an HTML document. Doc type HTML. Okay, and then type HTML. Alright, let me just write this in smaller font because that's what we'll be doing. That's our convention here for this course. So let me just follow that for ease of understanding purposes. Open the body tag and H1 JavaScript statements and close the H1 tag. Okay, paragraph statements are separated by semicolons. All right, close the paragraph tag, and then type another paragraph tag and say the variables x, y, and z are assigned the values of 5, 6, and 11. Okay, just type all of this. Then I show you how I will manipulate the code. Again, we need a paragraph that is identified by an ID, and the ID is called demo here, and close the paragraph tag. Then open up the script tag. Now you are writing, remember the ID tag goes within the HTML document, and within the script tags where you write in your JavaScript, that's where you call the ID. Var x is equal to 5. Okay, we're declaring a variable x and initializing it with the value of 5, where y is equal to 6. So the variable y has a value of 6, where z is equal to x plus y. Okay, notice all the statements end with semicolon. Then you need to get the document dot get element by ID. Okay, demo, get this statement from the JavaScript, from the HTML dot inner HTML, and assign it to z. Okay, and all right, close the script tag. I'll show you what happens when we run the code. Close the script tag, close the body tag, close the HTML tag. Okay, let's save the file. Okay, I'm going to save the file as JavaScript program. Okay, and save it as JavaScript program.html. Okay, please take a good look at the code. If you have any syntax error, please fix it. If your program is not working just by copying what I have copied, please check again. Okay, check the screen again. Statements are separated by semicolons. The variable x, y, and z are assigned the values of 5, 6, and 11. And the answer is this statement is assigned a value of z. That's basically what it means. So we declared this statement in the HTML part of the code, just like I told you. And we gave it an ID demo. And then we said document.getElement by ID demo.innerHTML is equal to z. Actually, whatever you're going to print is going to be here. Okay, we didn't touch this one. We didn't touch this value. I'm sorry, we didn't touch this paragraph at all. This paragraph here is being given a value of demo, and demo is nothing but z, and z is x plus y, and x is 5, y is 6, and the total is 11, and that's exactly what you see here. Okay, so this is how you write the syntax for the simple program. Let's move on to the next topic. Okay, one thing interesting that you will find in JavaScript is that as you saw here, the program is executed by the browser. This computation is executed directly by the browser. You didn't need any plugin. You could see the mathematical operation performed by the browser, and it was displayed easily. Okay. Alright, moving on. JavaScript statements are composed of values, operators, expressions, keywords, and comments. Okay, let me write this down here. Okay, JavaScript statements are made of values, operators, expressions, keywords, comments. Okay, so JavaScript values. What is a JavaScript value? What is a JS value? A JavaScript value is JavaScript syntax defines two types of values: fixed values and variable values. Okay, there are two kinds: fixed and variable values. And fixed values are called literals. Okay, so fixed values are called literals, and the other one was variable values are called variables. Simple. Okay, the best way to write a literal is by using decimals. Okay, literals or numbers. Literals are of many kinds, and strings. Okay, let's write a program, a JavaScript program, to show how to represent numbers. Okay, let's get started. Then I will show you how to represent strings. Let's begin. The doc type, HTML, HTML, open up the HTML tag, and then open up the body tag, and open up the head tag, and write JavaScript numbers. Oops. All right, write JavaScript numbers. Okay, and then close the h1 tag. Then open up a paragraph tag and write number can be written with or without decimals, which means decimals are allowed in JavaScript. Okay, and if you need to perform a computation that involves decimals, yes, by all means you can do it. Paragraph ID is equal to demo, close the paragraph tag. Okay, and then let's do our scripting. Script, open up the script tag and write document dot get element by ID, get the element demo dot inner HTML is equal to 10.50. Okay, and then close the script tag. I hope you understand what's happening here. Okay, in this paragraph is identified as demo, and here the script will assign this value to the demo. 10.5 is the demo value, and it will be placed right under this line. Okay, we're just showing that, you know, numbers in the script are readable by numbers in HTML, numbers in HTML readable by script. Okay, you can exchange, they can talk to each other. Just demonstrating that and nothing else. Close the body tag and then close the HTML tag. Okay, I just made sure that the code was exactly the way I deleted the above two lines. Please take a good look at the code here, and I'm just going to save it as JS program numbers. I'm going to add numbers. Okay, it becomes a new program. Save, and then save it as all files .html. Save. Alright, let's go back to the program. JavaScript numbers. There you go. Okay, so numbers can be written with or without decimals. So by using the class get element by ID dot inner HTML and assigning the demo with the value of 10.5, you were able to display wherever demo is located in your HTML. Basically, that's what it means. Okay, let me show you what you need to do with the strings. Okay, let's write a program that demonstrates strings. Okay, I'm going to make a few changes here. Instead of writing this all over again, write JavaScript numbers. Instead of numbers, write strings. Okay, then write strings can be written with, okay, let me delete this, then it's going to be more clear. Written with double or single quotes. Okay, you're allowed to use double or single quotes. Okay, this guy is the same here. This line is the same. This line is the same. Document.get element by ID demo.inner HTML is equal to, you can write your name. I'm going to write my name, Zubair Mughal. Okay, there you go. Single quotes. That's it. Just save the file Save as strings. Okay, take a good look at the code, please. Pause the screen, check again, save as. I want to save it as HTML. .html. Save. And within the folder, where's the strings? There you go. There you go. Strings can be written with double or single quotes. You can try to change this to double quotes. It would still run well, as promised. Okay, save, and just go back to the browser and refresh. Okay, it's running fine. So it can be written with double or single quotes. No issues with that.